Good evening, you guys. This is Sarah with the Frugal Bear and Bear Made Crafts, and we are going to be canning some peppers next. We're going to do a mixed batch of multicolored bell peppers, some sweet peppers, jalapenos, and some serrano peppers. We're going to be doing water bath canning for these, so we're going to cut these up and come back. All right, we have our peppers all chopped and mixed in here. Oops. And now we're going to work on our brine. We're doing a 50-50, so we have 3 cups of water to 3 cups of distilled vinegar. To this, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of canning salt. Stir that up. We are going to take this to our stovetop and bring this to a boil and let it simmer a bit, and then we will come back and pack our jars. All right, our brine is ready. Our jars are nice and hot. We're going to put our gloves back on and start packing our jars. So into each jar, I'm just going to put some crushed red pepper, about 1/4 of a teaspoon into each of the pint jars, and about 1/8 of a teaspoon into the little one. There's a little bit more in that one. Once again, we're going to put some celery salt, just because I love celery salt. And into the pint jars, we're doing about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then we're going to put 1 garlic clove into each as well. And I have smashed the garlic cloves. To bring out a little more flavor. A couple extra pieces here. As you can tell, I'm a huge fan of garlic. So now we're going to just start packing our jars. And we're really gonna just kind of smash everything in there. Like I said, there's bell peppers, sweet peppers, serrano peppers, and jalapeno peppers. All Mod Podge of peppers here. Peppers, when they're done like this, gives a nice treat. Makes it a complete addition, pepper addition to any salad or appetizer. You can please so many different palates with the variety of peppers in here. We're going to water bath can these, and we're going to actually process them for 15 minutes. Oh, we've left the seeds on everything in here. All we've done is cut the heads and tails off, people. Heads and tails. We don't need those two. Okay. That. And now I'll take my gloves off and we can go grab our brine. All right. Now we're just going to start filling up. Where my lid lifter went. Find it. I believe it's under my towel there. So it's kind of later in the evening. I had to go take a nap. It happens when you get old, people. You take naps. I've always enjoyed naps, though. Maybe not as a child, but even in my 20s, 30s, certainly my 40s. My day is not complete unless I've had a nap. There we go. Hello. There we go. Doing so much canning today. My nose is getting a little tickly and my eyes are watering. This vinegar kind of gets to you after a bit. Oh, we missed that one. So we have 7 beautiful pints here. A little mixed. Okay. We're going to grab our bubbler, debubbler, and just kind of go around each and every jar. Sorry about that. brine in that one. Right. Oh, yellow. Little peppers, stay in there. Go. I love the color of all the varieties of peppers. It's so pretty looking. This is going to be the end of our canning for this week. Next week, though, we'll be back on jelly. And I think we're going to do a wine jelly. And have that ready for our upcoming show. Wine jelly is always a hit at Christmas. Makes a great gift. It was funny when I was making a video earlier. I thought my husband was in the living room serenading me. Here he was just listening to music with headsets on and was singing. I thought he was serenading me. I'm missing a lid. Hold on. There it is. Let's pop that in our hot water real quick. Not that that's going to do any good. But we can stick our lids on while we're waiting. Or our rims on while we're waiting. Got to soften up a scotch. Finger tight. Finger tight. Okay, now I'm going to go pop these into the canner. Like I said, 15 minutes for these peppers. And then of course I'll let them sit for another 10 minutes after that. And then we'll come back and show you what they look like. Alright, 15-minute processing time and an extra 15 minutes of cooling. We'll grab our handy dandy towels and lift this out. There we go. Pull our peppers out. Beautiful. I wish I had more light over here. My husband is looking forward to opening these up for some nachos. Oh yeah. Beautiful. So there we have it. Pickled hot and sweet peppers, jalapeno, serrano, sweet peppers, and bell peppers. All in one batch. Make for some great snacks. So we'll let these cool here on the counter. Always remember that when you take the hot jars out of your water bath canner, to put them on a towel so that they're not directly on a cold countertop. Keep them away from any drafts. You don't want them to cool down too quickly. So there you are. And we'll be back next week with some wine jelly, I guess. We'll see you then.